Ricardo Sandoval, branch manager. We're here at the William J. Oaks Boys and Girls Club. Well, today we had the International Window Cleaning Association in San Diego for their 30th year conference, and they're generously donating their time and supplies here at the club to clean all our windows for our kids, and we're really appreciative of that.
We have a group of 14 window cleaners here today. We're all from different parts of the country. We even have one representing British Columbia. And we come in and we just make the place shine for these young kids. And it's just a beautiful event that we do every year.
As we teach our kids, community service is one of the big things to being a good citizen, and it's a great example that the company's coming out of it.